How to use Ggives on Shopee app. The first things first is go ahead and access your Shopee application. Now, if we are going to check out any of these products right here, is that, like for example, tap on buy now, choosing any color. Now in here, this will be our checkout page. Now on checkout page, as we can see under the payment methods, there's actually a bunch of options in here, but there is actually no Ggives available. Now, as of 2024, Ggives do not actually operate to use as a payment method with Shopee application, but instead we do have another option that somehow similar on how Ggives works. So it is what they call the S Pay Later. So S Pay Later is actually the same goes with Ggives on how it works. It's just borrowing money from that specific platform, and you can go ahead and change it to any installment method that you can use. So instead of doing Ggives, you can go ahead and use SPay later temporarily, since it is not yet operable with um, Ggives to Shopee. So that's it. That's the alternate method that you can use for you to be able to use the same method as Ggives does.